Hello dear students, good morning. Let us start today's lecture on trigonometry. So yesterday I explained you about allied angles, that is I explained about all silver teacups. So if you understand this concept, that we can do problems based on that. Okay, yesterday whatever I explained, just once recall it. In this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. In this quadrant all are positive. I wrote as here 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, here 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta, and here is 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. This is 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. These all things yesterday I explained, so I don't want to write again. But just to recalling once, sin theta is a positive here. All students all here all are positive. Students means sine and its reciprocal, that is cosec theta is positive. Take coffee, all students take coffee. Take means tan theta is positive, and opposite cot theta is positive, reciprocal of that. Okay, and next here sin tan, here it will be cos and sec will be positive. Okay, these things you know very well. Okay, now sin 225 degree angle I want. Sin 225, how I will write here? Sin, I can write as sin 180 plus 45 degrees I can write. So sin 180 plus 45 is 225, correct? So sin 180, I told you in 180 there is no change because it is even multiple of 90. So even multiple of 90, no change. Odd multiple of 90, it is change. So it is sin 180 plus 45, that is even multiple. So it will be changes, no change. So sin will become as sin. So sin 45 I will get. But I have to see whether it is positive or negative. 180 plus theta is third quadrant. Third is sin negative. Only tan cot positive. So here is I will get minus. So sin 45 degrees value is how much? 1 by root 2. So the answer is minus 1 by root 2. So sin 225 degrees value is minus 1 by root 2. Now cos 330 degrees. So what we can write here? Cos into 360 minus theta, 360 minus 30. 180, 360, no changes. So it is going to get as what here? Cos 30 degrees I am going to get. Okay, cos 30 degrees I am going to get. Now here cos 360, that is third quadrant, this is a fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, you can see that cos and sec are positive. It means here this one is the positive. So positive cos 30 degrees value, that is root 3 by 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2. Now here tan for 150 degrees. Tan 150 degrees can be written as tan 180. You can write now 90 plus. I'll write like this. 90 plus 60 degrees. So in odd multiples tan will change. Okay, tan will change as what? Cot. So I can write as cot 60 degrees. I can write this cot 60, but it is plus or minus, it depends on the quadrant. 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, which quadrant? 90 plus theta is the second quadrant. Here tan is what? Negative. So I can write as negative. So cot 60 degrees value is how much? Minus 1 by root 3, right? 1 by root 3, right? So you can know that tan 60 is how much here? You know sin 60, right? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2. If you cancel, this is root 3. So you get as minus root 3 is the answer. Okay, so that is the answer. So here we can see that sin 765 degrees. Sin 765, if I want to find sin 765 degrees. So how to find sin 765? I can write this one as sin 720, that is 360 multiple. 360 after. Okay, what is 360 here? This is the angle 0 degrees. It starts and it comes here. This is 360, means one rotation 360. If I moves on and goes here and I comes back, this is 720, and this is 720 plus how much? This is 720 plus how much it is? 720 plus 45 degrees. Whenever you have, it means that this angle is 720 and more moving 45 degrees. Means this exactly coming in the first quadrant. Means in first quadrant all are positive. So this will be positive. So whenever you have 360 multiple, I told you 360 no change. 90 is a 360 times 2, right? So 90 times 8, 8 is a 72. If I write this one, 90 into 8 I can write. 98 is a 72 or 360 into 4. So whenever you are getting even multiples, there is no change in that. So sine 45 I am going to get. So sine 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. So sine 765 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Suppose I want to find this. Suppose I'll just change one more thing. If I want to find cos 750 degrees, okay, I want to find cos 750 degrees, this one. So what I can write here, this one, cos of 720 plus 30 degrees I can write. So one thing you remember, whenever it is comes in 360 multiple and in the first quadrant, the answer will be cos 30 itself. Okay, cos 30 means cos 30 value will be that, because it is coming in the first quadrant. It is coming in again in the first quadrant. So sign will not be changed, all are positive. 360 plus theta, 720 plus theta, like these things. 360 of, you just see that 360, 720, again 360, you can add it like that, all 360 multiples. Above that, the answer will be taken how much more angle it is there. This is more 30 angle. So cos 30 value root 3 by 2 is the answer. So this is the way to do it. Now here these have minus. So whenever you have minus, you keep in the brain that, now just look at here. Now if I have a minus, how to deal this question? How to find these values? See here, there I will tell you few logics. You can see that there will be sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Okay, sorry, plus cosec theta. This is minus cosec theta. And cot of minus theta is equal to how much? Minus cot theta. Just here cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. They are positive. Remain all are negative. Why it is? See here, this is the initial ray you have, and when the angle is coming in clockwise direction, this makes minus theta. Means it is falling in the fourth quadrant. It's falling in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, who is positive? Cos and sec are positive. Fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. That is the reason this minus theta angle is coming in fourth quadrant. So cos of minus theta is cos theta, sec of minus theta is sec theta. Remain all are positive. Hope you understand this. Now let us discuss this point. Okay, let us discuss this point. Now I have to find these values. Okay, now cosec of minus theta, what I am going to get here? Cosec of minus 1410 degree. That is minus of cosec 1410 I will get. Okay, so here I have to check this one is which multiple. You can check two things, either 90 multiple or 360 multiple. You can check both the things. Anything. If you go for 90 multiple, see 90 multiple. If difficult, then go for 360 multiple. 360, if I go for this, you know 4 3s are 12. This is nearest to this. If I go for 5 3s are 15. It's more than that. Okay, let's go for 4 times. 4 times if I go, 4 0 4 6 are 24. Okay, 14 40 you got here. So 360 multiples is easy every time. So here I can write as 360 into 4, and it is less or more 360 minus 4 minus less than. How much it is less? It is less. How much? 30 degrees it is less. So 360 minus. So what I am going to get here, if you see this picture, and you can see here, this will be coming one time, that is 360 degrees. Second rotation, it is going to get 720 degrees. It is how many rotations? It is 4 rotations, and I am going to do third one, and next I am going to do fourth one. So when it is comes to fourth rotation here, it will be 1440, but it is I need as 1410, so I will come back. So this is the angle here I am getting. So which quadrant the angle is forming? So 1440 is here. This is the reference point, 1440 here. But 1410 will be coming back to the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant it is coming. This value is coming in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant cosec is positive or negative, that you have to check. See here, fourth quadrant cosec is negative. So this value is a minus already, and minus of minus will be plus. And 360 multiple, I told you 360 multiple, that means that is a even. 9 is multiplied even times. So 90 even. So even times cosec is not going to change it. So cosec 30 I am going to get. Hope you understand what I said. Is it you are able to understand it? Yeah. This reason here 92s how much? 180. So there will be no change. 94s, 360, no change. So these are the 90 multiple, okay. So 90 even time multiple. So even time multiple cosec is a cosec itself. If odd time, then cosec is changed into sec. That's it. So here cosec means which one? Cosec is nothing but reciprocal of which one? Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So right, sine 30, you know, sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2. So cosec 30 is how much? 2. Reciprocal of that. So the answer is 2. So this answer is 2. So likewise you have to do the problems. Okay. Now here cosec of 1710 you have. Okay. This is cosec again. Cos. Let us discuss this one now. Now cos of minus 1710 value is how much? So what we do here, we take okay, let's do here 360 multiple of how much? 5 times I am checking. So 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 33, 5 3 are 15, 1800 I am getting. Yes, 1800. 1800 is more. This is more less than that. So one more thing is cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. That is, you know, cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So I can write cos 1710, this one. This value is going to get cos 1710 degrees. So cos 1710 degrees can be written as was cos of 1800 minus 90 degrees I can write. Cos of 1800 minus 90. So you can see this here. Again you can see this in this quadrant. It is happening 5 times. 5 times means odd multiple. So 5 times, it meaning is odd multiple of 90. Correct? I am getting. Are you getting it? What I said. This is 360. 360. How you get? 94s you get. Right. So 94s are 360. Right. So here I am going to get how many multiples? Just let me check. This one, it's coming in odd multiple, right? Yeah. So I'm going to get here 90, yeah, odd multiple. So what I'm going to get here, cos here. So cos is, I'm going to check is in which quadrant. This is 360 5 times. So 360 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. It is rounding 5 times. 5 times after it is coming back minus 90, means it is coming here on the, it is coming exactly on where it is coming, it's on this line. So here I am getting, this is the place I am getting, means it is giving at 720 degrees, 720 value, means so 270 value, sorry 720 not, it's at cos of 270 is how much? 0. So answer is, this value is 0. Like this we will find. So these all the things we are going to find by using the yesterday. See here, I wrote here, this is the box, radian 0 degrees, here degree also 0, 30 degrees pi by 6, 45 degrees pi by 4, 60 degrees pi by 3, 90 degrees pi by 2, 120 degrees 2 pi by 3, 135 degrees 3 pi by 4, 150 degrees 5 pi by 6, pi 180 degrees. This till 180 degrees you have to must remember, because see in exam you are finding calculating the values, that will not work. Okay, so just remember these values always you have to remember. So sin theta values are here, already I explained how to get it here. So cos theta values are here, okay, and tan theta values are here and cot theta values are here. You know that simply till 90 degrees you have learned in the class 9, class 10. So till 90 degrees, then this after what you will be here, reverse of this one, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. See here, it is reverse from here. From here it is reverse, okay. Here also from here it is reverse but negative sign, because in the second quadrant cos is negative, because this is second quadrant, this is second quadrant. So cos is negative. Just see that you are getting reverse of this. Here is a positive and here you are getting the reverse with negative sign. And here you are getting again reverse with a negative sign. That's it. But you just concentrate on this and just see this. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0, but negative. Because in second quadrant only sine is positive and cosec is positive. So this is the values of radian and degree of till 180 degrees. Just remember these all the things perfect, then you can do problems based on this, okay. But we are not going to do right now any problems based on this angle, because Jay is not going to ask you simple questions, okay. We have to learn more content, okay. So first what I want to say here, suppose you have 180 degrees, this all yesterday I told you then already. Here this is let us consider as 0 comma 0 point, 0 comma r, 0 comma r. Yesterday I told you this is 0, sorry, the point on x-axis. The point on x-axis will be what? The point on x-axis will be r comma 0. This will be what here? This will be 0 comma r. This will be minus r comma 0. This will be 0 comma minus r. According to yesterday formulas what I have given, according to that you can find 180 degrees. So what I want to say here, yesterday I explained all these things. So let us discuss true or false on this, okay. Now sin theta is equal to what I told, y by r. Cos theta is equal to what I told, x by r. This already yesterday explained. So if anybody wants to find sin 180 degrees value, sin 180, so here it comes, sin 180 comes here. So here when it is comes here, sin 180, if it is here, then what is the value of y by r? Y is here what here? Y, x is 0, y by r. Y is what here? 0, right? Y value is 0 divided by r. So 0 by r, right? So as I told you, sin 180 is equal to what here? Sin 180 is equal to y by r. Y is the y coordinate is 0, 0 by r, that is equal to 0. Suppose I want to find cos 180, here cos 180 is, here the point cos is x by r. X is what here? Minus r. Minus r by r, cancel, minus 1. So cos 180 is minus 1, sin 180 is 0. Likewise you can find anything, okay. If I want to find sin 270, if I want to find sin 270, then here I will come. So y value will be what? X is 0, y will be minus r. Minus r by r, that is minus 1. So if I go for cos 270, cos 270 degrees, cos 270 degrees is equal to what? X by r. X is 0, 0 by r, that is equal to 0. Likewise you can find any 180, 270, 360 like this. Yesterday already I explained this one. Some students have confusion, so I explained once again. So let us see here, main thing is, this is what I want to explain you. Sin 1 degree is equal to 1 radian is equal to dash. Sin 1 radian is greater than 0 or not, that is what I have. So sin 1 degree is 1 radian is always greater than 0. Reason is what? 1 radian value is 57 degrees 16 minutes. Sin 57 degrees value we don't know, but you can see that sin in the first quadrant it is a positive. So sin is in the first quadrant, this is, so it is true. 2 degree means what here? 57 into 2. So here you are going to 2 sevens are 14, 4, 2 5s are 10, and here 14. This will be in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive, so true. Sin 3 degrees, that is 57 into 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 5s are 15, 171. So 171 true. Sine 4 degree, that is 57 into 4. 7 4s are 28, 5 4s are 20 to 228. 228 will come in which quadrant? This is comes in third quadrant, right? This is comes in third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative. Here wrong. So sign here, likewise you can see the 4 meaning is radian. Remember that if they given 1, 2, 3, 4, it means it is a radian. So these things you can do it. You just multiply with 57. How much degree is getting, you just check it. If it is more than 180, less than 270, you see which quadrant it lies. According to that you can write true or false. Okay. Let us solve some questions now. Now here cos 10 degree plus cos 20 degree plus cos 10 degree plus cos 20 degree plus cos 30 degrees plus cos 170 degree is equal to how much? This is the question. So whenever you have like this cos 170 can I write as cos 180 minus 10, can I write like this? So cos 180 minus 10, it is which quadrant, you can check it out. So 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta is here. This is the 180 minus theta. That is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So negative I will get, sine is negative. So I am 180 means even multiple. So cos will not change. So I will get cos 10 degrees. Means this value is approaching to minus cos 10. So this is plus cos 10. So minus cos 10 plus cos 10 cancel, 0. And next cos 20 degrees is there. So this back angle will be what here? This is 10 gap it is there. So this will be cos 160 degrees. So cos 160 can be written as what? Cos 180 minus 20 degrees. Again this is the second quadrant. So cos is negative, cos 20 degrees. So this will be cancelled. So you can see like that all will be cancelled, but it is, you can see 10, it is 170. There is a between them. It is, you can see this odd gap is there, even gap is there. It is an odd gap, not even gap. All are not cancelled. So cos 90 is going to remain. All will be cancelled out. Cos 90 is going to remain. You can see in AP, you have learned AP also. So you can see that cos 90 going to remain. So cos 90 degree value is how much? 0. So the answer is 0. So such kind of questions you want to solve, this allied topics is most important. We will do more problem. Tan 135 degrees, cos 150 degrees. These values you find and tell me answers. Let's find some questions here. Now this is the question. Okay, these values I gave you. Don't be confused here. I just gave the values of, these are important, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees values I gave you. You can note down that picture, that is important one box. And now you have to find this value. How much is the value of this? Now I explain you allied angles, right? So cos 90 plus theta is how much? You just look at here and find out the values of this. So this I told you 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta. This is I told you 90 minus 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, and here will be 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. Quadrant you just know. Cos 90 plus theta means it's just a second quadrant. 90 plus theta is a second quadrant. So cos 90 plus theta is a second quadrant. So negative. This value will be negative. And it is a 90 into 1 odd multiple. So cos will change into sine. So minus sine theta this gets. Now sec of minus theta is what? Sec theta. I told you just now cos and sec negative is positive. Right, sec of minus theta is sec theta. Tan 180 minus theta, 180 is here, it comes here. So 180 coming in the second quadrant, tan is negative, so negative. And tan 180 is an even multiple of 90, 92s are, so it is not going to change. Tan theta I am going to get. Hope you understand. Sec 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta here. Who is positive in this? Cos and sec is positive in this. So this is positive. So I am going to get positive. And 360 is 9 4s are, 94s are. So it is an even multiple. So sec comes as sec. Okay, no change in this. Sec 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta here is the quadrant number 3. So 180 is a negative. 180 is a negative. So negative I am going to get. So and 180 not going to change it, so sec theta I will get. And here next what, cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, where it lies? Cot 90 minus theta is the first quadrant, 90 minus theta. So first quadrant it is, so positive, and cot is going to change as tan. So tan theta I am going to get it. So what I got here is completely this tan is cancelled out. This cos and this cos is cancelled out, and I got minus sin theta into this sec theta can taken out cos theta. So the answer is minus of sin theta cos theta is the answer for this. So likewise problems whenever it occurs, likewise problems you have to deal this allied angle concept and you have to solve. Let us do more questions on this. See the next question here. They said as if A, B, C, D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, find the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. What is the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D? You know cyclic quadrilateral condition, that is angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles are supplementary. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. This is the condition for cyclic quadrilateral. So now let us go for it. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D value I have to find. Here I cannot change cos A and cos B. I will keep the same as it is. But cos C I will change. How I will change here? Angle C I can write as 180 minus A. So I will write as cos 180 minus angle A. Plus angle D also I will change as, angle D I can change as 180 minus angle A. So I can write as 180 degrees minus angle A. I am writing like this. So what I am going to get here, cos A plus cos B. Now you know 180 minus theta, it comes 180 minus theta in the second quadrant. So second quadrant cos is negative. So I am going to get minus. And 180, 90 is an even multiple of 92s are. So cos A I am going to get it. And here I am going to get minus cos, I think this is cos A, and this D I have changed, right? I am changing D, right? Cos A, cos B. I have to do angle A plus angle C. Let us take first of all cyclic quadrilateral, that is A, B, C, D. Angle A plus C 180 degrees. Angle B plus D. Sorry, angle B plus D is 180 degrees. So I will get as here angle D is 180 minus angle B I will get. So here I will get 180 minus angle B I will get. So here I am going to get cos B I am going to get here. So here angle B this one, so angle B, okay, supplementary, this angle B plus D is 180, angle A plus C is 180. So cos A, cos B cancel, answer is 0. Likewise, the most of the allied angle problems will be solved in this way. Let us discuss the next question here. Sin square pi by 6 plus sin square 3 pi by 6 plus sin square 5 pi by 6 plus sin square 7 pi by 6 value is how much? Whenever these type of questions are given, just see here pi by 16, 3 pi by 16, 5 pi by 16, 7 pi by 16. These are in AP. Okay. Simply you can see that pi by 16 plus 7 pi by 16 value is how much? That I am going to get here 8 pi by 16, that is pi by 2. It means sum of the two angles I am getting pi by 2. Here if I am getting like that. So squares are there if I am getting A plus B 90 degrees. I am going to tell you these things. One short techniques now. Next, very short techniques, very much short techniques. So many problems will be solved using these techniques. I am going to teach you that. So sin square pi by 6 plus sin square pi by 6. So when this can be written as, if it is pi by 6 plus 7 pi by 6 is equal to pi by 2. So I can write 7 pi by 6 as pi by 2 minus pi by 6. Can I write here? 7 pi by 6 as pi by 2 minus pi by 6. So I can write as here, this is sin square pi by 16 plus, likewise you can see these both also. So like here sin square 3 pi by 16 plus, this is also you can see that 3 pi by 16 plus 5 pi by 16 is equal to pi by 2. So I can write here 5 pi by 16 is pi by 16 is pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. So pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. So this is, I can write as this third letter, I write as third term, sine square pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. Okay, plus this is, I can write as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Sine square pi by 2 minus what I can write as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. So as I taken this point as these figures and I plotted here third and fourth term. So sine square, I am going to get here sine square pi by 16 plus this is, I am going to get here sine square 3 pi by 16 plus, see this one, sine square means whole power square is there. So the meaning of this one will be what? Here sine pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16, this is whole square, you have this whole square. So sine 90 minus theta is in the which quadrant? The second quadrant. Sine 90 minus theta is in the first quadrant. First sine, all are positive, so sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta. So I am going to get this will be cos square 3 pi by 16 I will get. And this is also sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos square pi by 16 I will get. So just look at here, sine square pi by 16, cos square pi by 16. The addition of this will be 1. Sine square 3 pi by 16, cos square 3 pi by 16, this value will be 1. So 1 plus 1, that value will be 2. So whenever you have such kind of questions, you have to solve in this way. I am going to teach you very shortcuts for this. Okay. See next questions here. Tomorrow lectures will be more interested. Tomorrow lectures are very important and more interested you. I will solve many questions and compound angles I will discuss. Okay, this is very important for NEET students also. So here now these are the questions. Sin 765 cos 1740 tan 7 pi by 3 sin 31 pi by 6. These values I am giving you homework. You solve it. If you are not getting, post me in the group. I will explain you. And this question also, sin 600 into tan minus 690 plus, this is plus symbol, okay, this is plus symbol and this is multiplication, okay, and sec 840 into cot minus 945 degrees. So these values you have to find, okay, so these values you have to find. This is homework to you. And let's see this question. Tan pi by 11 plus tan 2 pi by 11 plus tan 4 pi by 11 plus tan 7 pi by 11 plus tan 9 pi by 11 plus tan 10 pi by 11. What is the value of this? Okay, let us see how to find these values. So just see that pi by 11 and 10 pi by 11, that is look at that. So here pi by 11 plus 10 pi by 11, that is I am going to get addition of this is nothing but 11 pi by 11. So pi I get. So addition of two angles I got pi. It is in tan. So I will going to tell you the secrets. Okay. These are the some easy things. So B is equal to, I can write what here, pi minus A, means this I can write as tan. B means this one. B is, this is the angle I am writing as pi minus this one. Pi minus pi by 11. This is can be written as what? 10 pi by 11 is equal to pi minus pi by 11 I can write. This is pi minus pi by 11. So 180 degrees which is there, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant. So if it is in the second quadrant, tan is positive or negative? Tan is negative. So I am going to get this value is minus tan pi by 11, because 180 not going to change. So tan pi minus. So this one and this one going to get cancelled out. Likewise 2 pi by 11, this is C here 9 pi by 11. 2 pi by 11 plus 9 pi by 11, that is how much I get pi. So in tan you remember addition of two things are getting 180, addition of two angles getting 180, then you can cancel them because that will become 0 and the total answer is 0. Just remember that sum of two angles is pi in tan, then that value going to get 0. If it is in square, if this is these are in square and sine is there, you are getting the addition is 90 degrees, then that is going to become 1. Okay, these all technique I'll tell you later. So now this is the technique you have understood, please note down. So dear students, now we are going to end up the today's section. So here we have taken a lot of time, so tomorrow we will do more problems and we'll solve more questions. Today here let's see the last two questions here. Sin pi by 3 pi by 5 plus sin 4 pi by 5 plus sin 6 pi by 5 plus sin 7 pi by 5. Just look at that, what you can see here. 3 pi plus 7 pi by 5 by 5. So if you do LCM, I am getting 10 pi by 5. That is equal to 2 pi I will get. It means 7 pi by 5 can be written as 2 pi minus 3 pi by 5. So this is what I can write. So this is I can write as sine of 2 pi minus 3 pi by 5. So sine 360 minus theta. Look at there, 360 minus theta is in the fourth quadrant. So 360 minus theta in the fourth quadrant sine is negative, so I will get minus of sine, and this is 360, so no change, minus of sine 3 pi by 5 I will get. Means this value I am getting as minus of 3 sine 3 pi by 5. So this is I am getting plus of sine 3 pi by 5. So this is going to cancel. Same way you can see that 4 pi by 5 plus 6 pi by 5 is equal to 2 pi. So I can write this one as 6 pi by 5 as 2 pi minus 4 pi by 5. It means that this is also going to change as minus sine 4 pi by 5. So this is cancelled. What is the technique here? If sum of the angles is 2 pi in sine, I can cancel them. It means that value will become 0. So sum of the this AB, sum of the angles is 2 pi in sine addition is there. I can cancel them, and you can see these terms are cancelled. This one which is making 2 pi, that can be cancelled out. So the answer will be 0. So this is also technique. Remember this one. Remember this point, what I am means making highlight. This is making highlight is important. Okay. Let's say next question, tan 225 degrees. Tan 225 can be written as what? Tan 180 plus 45 degrees. And here cot I can write as 360 plus 45 degrees. Right, okay, plus this is I can write as tan 720 plus 45 degrees, and this is I can write as cot 720 minus 45 degrees. Okay, so 180 plus theta here in the third quadrant tan is positive, so positive tan will not change as 180, so even multiple, so I can get this is tan 45 into cot 360 plus theta is the first quadrant cot is positive, so 360 plus theta, 360 no change, so cot 45 will get. Okay, plus tan 720 means one round over, second round came, and this is going to first quadrant. So first quadrant tan is positive, so tan I am going to get here 45 degrees. And here cot 270 minus means it is in the fourth quadrant tan is what, positive or negative. So I am going to get here, this one is in multiplication, sorry. So here I am going to get here minus of cot 45 I am going to get. So here is 1 into 1, tan 45 1, cot 45 1, plus 1 into minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, take care, bye bye.